Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia. Today I am participating in a clean closet challenge hosted by Heidi from Happily Thriving Heidi and Jessica from Casa Magnolia. They have been doing this challenge for a while, and this is my second time participating in it. So last time I had done a closet pantry, and this time I will be tackling my master closet. So it is a mess. It needs super duper attention because it's gotten out of hand, as did most of my stuff in my life in the past couple months. But anyways, so I am taking step by step in getting my house back into order, and that's why I'm participating in this challenge. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're brand new, first time visiting, I would love for you to stick around. Press the subscribe button, it's free, and see what I'm all about. I post videos almost every day. There's mostly DIYs, cleaning and cooking videos with some hauls and some travel vlogs. So I'm sure you will find something that you like somewhere along the lineup of the videos. So until no further ado, I will get started on cleaning this, and I will have all of the channels, Heidi's and Jessica's, linked down below, as well as the playlist for the challenge, so you can go check out everyone else's videos that are participating in the challenge. So come along. So here is the state of the closet right now. It just got really out of hand, and it needs to be straightened out and cleaned out. So I'm going to get started. So let me show you. I have taken everything out of the closet, and here is the closet, how it looks all empty. I'm going to vacuum the carpets, dust the shelves, clean the baseboards, wipe down the walls, that sort of thing right now. I am using a mixture of water, vinegar, and lemon essential oil to clean all the walls, the shelves, and the baseboards. I'm going to take these fabric softener sheets and just put them in different areas for fresh smell. Using hangers that have a little hole here for tank tops because it keeps them in place. So let me give you a bit of a look as far as I gotten done. I cleared my bed, so if I need to stop, I can go to bed tonight. So over here I just kept my tank tops and my t-shirts, and I also have just 2 shirts here that are like dressy shirt, but they're long sleeve, but they're ones that I can wear totally through the summer too, because there's really nothing to them. And then I kept my cardigans here because I like wearing these with my tank tops and my t-shirts, even in summer if it gets cool at night. And then down here I have all of my plaid shirts and my button-down shirts over here that I like to wear. And then these are just long sleeve t-shirts over here. And then my sweaters, my pants, and my skirts. And I kept them on these hangers because they're a little wider so they don't leave the line like the thin ones. But I'm very particular about my hangers. Like I mentioned, I like to use these ones with the little hole in here so I can shove my tank tops, and then just kind of keeping the same style of hangers. And I also like to point them the same way, a little bit OCD that way, I guess. Same with here. I kept the wider ones for these two just because they're a little bit on a heavier side, and then wide ones for skirts and pants, and then just regular ones for over here. In here I have a while back decided I was gonna use these for everything, and they're not very practical, especially when it comes to kids. Kids tend to just pull things off, and because these don't slide, they broke them all. So these are just a few that I have left, and I'm just keeping them for dresses that tend to slide off to keep them on here. And then the rest of them are the same, and I just have a sweater on one of these non-slidables too, because the sweater tends to fall off the regular hanger. And then for my husband, I kept it t-shirts, long sleeve button downs, short sleeve dressy button down, and then pants. And then I'm just gonna have his dress shirts there, but they're gone to dry cleaners and he's wearing some. And a leather coat's gonna go in there. And that's it as far as the hanging clothes. Now I'm gonna work on the stuff that's on the floor and figuring out how I'm going to store all the stuff on here, because the way it was done before, it doesn't really work. So, and as you can see, it's a huge mess, so I might have to run out and get a few bins, or I'm not sure yet. I will figure it out as I go. So I went out and picked up these bins. From the Dollar Tree to see if it'll help with the organization. Walk you through, but first, this is all the things that are going to go downstairs that don't belong here or I don't need anymore. And this is a pile that will be donated. It's mostly my stuff. Well, I thought I was gonna use my son's old sweatshirts, but I never wore them once, so I'm sure there's somebody who can use them other than me. So I will be donating them. So let me walk you through. So I'm gonna start with this shelf in the middle. So I kept things pretty similar, changed up a few things. So still keeping the big giant sweaters up there just because they're so big, and that seems to be a perfect spot for them. These are thinner sweaters, like a t-shirt sweater type of thing. Short sleeve sweaters, I guess would be the proper word. Just like very light sweaters. Then in here, so over here I have my camisoles, camis, and these are Disney t-shirts. And then I've got my jeans and my just pants that I wear pretty much all the time. This is my jewelry over here, just my costume jewelry, not my good stuff. And then I have my Sherpa hoodie here that takes up so much space, and then just thick sweaters, like really thick sweaters. Then all of my shorts, and then these are capris and Bermuda shorts. And then down here I have sweatshirts, and this is one of those Disney jerseys that they have now. So that's there. And I have another hoodie that's in a wash that's gonna go there. And then over here, like I mentioned before, I have all of my tanks, my t-shirts, and then these what are these, cardigans, and then just two dress shirts that are really thin that can go either in colder or warmer weather. And then down here I just have my button down shirts, my long sleeve shirts, my sweatshirts and sweaters, my dress bands and skirts, and then just a leather jacket and one of these, I forget what these are called. I don't know what this thing is called. Leave a comment down below. I can't remember what it's called. And then behind the door I always have just some work sweatshirts, and then my thick house coat and my thin house coat. And then down here I have this TV table that I do my nails on. And then if I turn around, I just have some long necklaces and my Alex and Annie bracelets, and this is kind of like a catch-all basket. And then down here I just have some, like, I like to change up my watches, so just some like grocery store type of watches. And then down here I have all of my nail stuff. I do my own shellac nails and stuff for my feet. Nail polish is just all nail related. And then down here are my, I'm gonna leave this open for my husband's shoes that are out of season. As you can see, he doesn't have very much. And then in here I have my yoga mat because sometimes I do yoga. And then I'm gonna start up here. So this is all my husband's, and I just kept it t-shirts, button-down shirts, sweaters, and a jacket. And he needs to put his dress shirts here as well, but they are at the dry cleaners. So I have a basket for snow pants. This has all my really small purses and wallets. This has crossbodies, and then the rest of my purses, my travel toiletry bag that has my traveling toiletry in there. And then I should have bought more of the baskets. I bought 8, and I thought I bought enough, but apparently not. I just have one of these. This is like a Sage shopping bag, and in there are like traveling makeup cases for all of it, like for myself and my husband's travel case, and yeah, just little pouches and that we use for travel. Then over here I have my dresses, my summer dresses, my formal dresses, my sweater, and my suit jacket. And then over here I just have my hat and one of these that sometimes when I travel I will put my dress in it. And then down here I have out of season shoes and my dress shoes. So I put all of my dressy dress shoes in this basket. Then I have my runners and my sneakers, boots, my hiking shoes, my flip-flops, and my summer shoes like sandals and just shoes. And I think that's it. That's about it. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Nice and clean. I hope I can keep it this way. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check out the playlist for all the other organized closets down below. And also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. Stick around, press that notification button. It's all free and you will be notified that way every time I post. And for all of you returning, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day and happy organizing. Thanks for watching.